Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sitebulb for technical SEO audits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Sitebulb for technical SEO audits, start by downloading the Sitebulb application from the official website. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch Sitebulb on your computer. You will be greeted with the welcome screen, where you can initiate a new project. Click on the New Project button to begin the process. Enter the URL of the website you wish to audit in the designated field. Choose the appropriate settings for your project, including user agent and crawl limits. You can select advanced options to customize your crawl preferences if necessary. After configuring your project settings, click Start Crawl to begin the analysis. Sitebulb will now start crawling the website, gathering data on various SEO elements. Once the crawl is complete, the application will compile its findings. Review the dashboards and reports generated by Sitebulb for insights. Focus on sections like site structure, performance, and on-page SEO elements. Utilize the visualizations provided to better understand the data. Identify any technical issues or areas for improvement highlighted in the report. Use the recommendations offered by Sitebulb to enhance the website's SEO. Finally, export the audit report for further analysis or to share with your team. This comprehensive process will help ensure your technical SEO audits are effective and thorough. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.